The code for me is mathematics. I believe that the universe seems to be built out of mathematics. Wherever you look, you find mathematics hiding underneath it. If you look at the way nature builds things, the way the universe seems to have evolved from the Big Bang. For me, the code that helps you to understand the way the universe works. Well, I think that we have evidence all around us that many of the kind of technological advances that we've made for millennia have begun with mathematics. So I think, and it will continue just transform the world around us. We're getting to the exciting stage of having driverless cars. The fact that a car knows how to drive itself is because of extraordinary, clever use of mathematics. So our whole world around us, although we don't realize it, is built out of mathematics. I think that's a very good question, because certainly I don't need to know how my iPhone works in order to use it. But I think that more and more, in order to make good decisions politically, economically, if you don't understand the underlying technology, it's much harder for you to make that decision. So, for example, I think that if you're trying to understand climate change and you want to understand whether, there's a challenge at the moment by the United States that this may be a Chinese hoax, or that maybe the evidence isn't as convincing as the scientists make out, for you to be able to make an informed decision about that, I think means that you need to understand what data means and how to interpret it. And I think that we are being more and more manipulated by the algorithms that control our digital world. And if you understand how those algorithms work, you can avoid being pushed around by this code. You're empowered by understanding the technology. If you look already, the big players in technology, they're people who trained as mathematicians. So take Larry Page and Sergey Brin. They're almost like two leaders of a superpower. That Google is so powerful, and they are mathematicians who understood the power of mathematics to transform the internet. So I think that those who learn mathematics will be those who will have power in the future. But I think it's not just the clever people who need to know the maths, because our lives are going to be influenced by mathematics. As I said before, it's important that every member of society understand the power of this language to change and to understand what's happening to society.